The new year has started on a positive note for the Adani Group. The Supreme Court on Wednesday, in its judgment, refused to transfer the investigation being carried out by market regulator SEBI into the Hindenburg Research allegation against the Adani Group to a separate special investigation team. Let me tell you what the Supreme Court has said, but before that, if you're watching this on Facebook, do like our page, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to HW News English. If you wish to support us, please download our new app. It's called News Shorts. Download the app and stay updated on current affairs in minutes. A three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra held that there was no ground to doubt the investigation being carried out by market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI). The bench headed by the CGI also noted that SEBI has completed its investigation in 22 out of 24 cases. Taking into account the assurance of the Solicitor General, the court directed SEBI to complete the probe in the remaining two cases within a period of 3 months. Speaking on the reports by OCCRP and Hindenburg, the bench said the reliance on newspaper articles or reports by third-party organizations to question a comprehensive investigation by a specialized regulator does not inspire confidence. Such reports by independent groups or investigative people in newspapers may act as inputs before the SEBI or the expert committee. However, they cannot be relied upon as conclusive proof of the inadequacy of the investigation by SEBI. Nor can the petitioner say that such inputs be regarded as credible evidence. The Supreme Court further directed the government and SEBI to check whether Hindenburg has ignored rules in shortening the market and to take action accordingly. Now, let me quickly tell you what short selling means. In the judgment, short selling is explained as a sale of securities which the seller does not own but borrows from another entity with the hope of repurchasing them at a later date with a lower price, thus attempting to profit from an anticipated decline in the price of securities. The SEBI, as an investigative agency of the Union government, shall probe into whether the losses suffered by the Indian investors due to the conduct of the Hindenburg Research and any other entities in taking short position involved any infraction of law, and if so, suitable action shall be taken, the top court said. The court also issued a warning against lawyers filing public interest litigations without adequate research and by relying on unverified reports. Public interest jurisprudence was developed to provide access to ordinary citizens. Petitions that lack adequate research and rely on unsubstantiated reports cannot be accepted, the court said. Reacting to the court's judgment, Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani said the Honorable Supreme Court's judgment shows that truth has prevailed. Satyame Vijayate. I am grateful to those who stood by us. Our humble contribution to India's growth story will continue. Jai Hind. Meanwhile, shares of Adani Group companies jumped 11% after the Supreme Court's verdict, with Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone rising 2% and Adani Enterprises rising 5%. Other group companies were up 3 to 11%. Now, many of you might have a question that has the court given a clean sheet to the Adani Group? So the answer is no. Nowhere has the court in its judgment said that the allegations against the Adani Group are false or untrue. We will have to wait till the SEBI submits its report to get a clearer picture. Besides, the opposition had multiple times vehemently demanded a joint parliamentary committee to be formed to investigate the matter, stating that the SEBI is reluctant to investigate the allegations against the Adani Group. That's it for this report. For more such news and updates, subscribe to HW News English.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.